Okay, I know I already filmed this heat pump, but this is a special video because it is the maiden voyage of my best friend's brand new Olympus SLR camera that he got for Christmas. I just wanted to try out the video performance of this camera. And my Nikon SLR does not do video. So, it's on manual zoom right now. And again, this is a Broan 3-ton heat pump from 2011. It's brand new. And there was another unit here before that broke, but I don't know what brand that was. So let's see how well this thing goes in. Take some pictures. This thing actually allows you to take pictures while you're filming. I'll show you that right now. Alright, so we are zoomed out. Stop recording? You know what, I don't know if it stopped recording. It automatically started recording again, but that might, I don't know if that's going to come out as two separate videos. Autofocus. This is a nice camera, man. Really nice camera. And you can just press this little button on the top and it automatically zooms or focuses for you. And I will try this. I'll make a video of my friend's Broan with this camera too, when I get the chance to go over to his house, which will be this Friday. So yeah, I'll bring the powerful Coleman lantern and I'll make a video of the Broan. Hopefully I'll get a defrost cycle. But yeah, this is a brand new Olympus. What model is this? What model is this? Don't know the model. Oh, here we go. Is that it? I'll have to read the box. I don't know what model it is, but it's an Olympus DSLR camera with a detachable zoom lens. 14-42 millimeters. This is a nice camera. My friend saw my SLR camera and wanted one for himself, so he asked for one for Christmas and his parents got him one. And I'll show you the, see if I can get a close-up on the, see right there, it says 3-ton. Right there. 3-ton. And the unit itself is, alright, I gotta refocus. There we go. And the unit itself is not noisy. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's very, very quiet. But there's something loose up here that's rattling around, and that's why the unit's so noisy. So there's nothing wrong with the heat pump. Lots of water here. And it is very cold. It's like in the high 30s technically, but it's very windy and the wind chill makes it feel like it's below freezing. Look at all that water from all the freaking rain we got last night. All right. Broan. That's the same brand as the exhaust fan in all the bathrooms in my house. And there is the reversing valve down there. You can see the blades moving. Those little black lines you see are the blades. Compressor. So yeah, this is a very nice camera. So yeah, hopefully I will be able to upload this video today. So this has been another video of the Broan 3-ton heat pump. It's very cold today and I was hoping to get a video of it defrosting, but we have to leave soon. And don't worry, there will be more HVAC videos today of a Ream heat pump. So yeah, this has been the Broan 3-ton heat pump and a test run of the video capabilities of my best friend's new Olympus camera. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.